Cool. And this one. Yeah, that's right. We're doing 2 today. Yo, what up everyone? Awesome Adam here, and yes, we have 2 boxes today of Pokemon Topps cards. And you guys are asking me, Topps cards again? Yes, I love these things. We have 2 boxes. We got a really good deal on them, and we are gonna do this. Alright, let's get started with box number 1. Alright, got the rip right there. And I told you guys, man, I love the old animation in general for Pokemon, like old Pikachu, old Squirtle, old Bulbasaur, old Charmander. They all look so cool. So, let's start with this first box. Ooh. So just take all these out. Ooh. That's a lot of packs. I was not expecting that many to come out of this box. Alright, so let me get these organized. And yeah, as you can see, this is a lot of packs. So I am still considering whether or not if I should just do the second box in another video, because it's going to take a long time. So let's just stop wasting time talking and let's get into this, because I have this whole leaning tower and I hope this thing doesn't fall on me while I'm opening these packs up, because that would suck a lot. Alright, let's see what I get in here. Alright, cool. So we're starting off with an Ivysaur, a Rattata, a Fearow. These things are like stuck. Ah! Oh! We got a foil Raticate. Awesome. These things are legit stuck to each other. Alright, oh, there you go. Mankey, Vileplume, Ekans / Arbok, TV, and Wartortle. Comment below, guys, if you guys want any of these cards. I could maybe like give one away if you really want one. Just tell me what you guys think below. If enough people want one, I'll send them out. I'll get things figured out. Just like comment below or message me or whatever and tell me what you guys want so I can do it. Alright, so first card is TV Staryu. Then the next card is TV Rock, followed by a Poliwhirl. These things are really stuck to each other. Oh, we have a shiny Spearow. Ooh. This thing is... Yep. Alright, we got a Squirtle, TV Meowth. Ooh, a Butterfree. I do not have this card at all. And a female Nidoran. Actually, we're looking for these 2 to put in my binder right over there. So I'm happy about finding these 2 because I have not found them anywhere in the last box. Alright, next pack. Let's do this. Let's get this open. Okay. Oh, a Vulpix. That's the first one. Starting off with this pack. A Gloom. A Primate. Would be cool if I got like a foil Charizard or something. That'd be awesome. Ooh, a Chrome Jigglypuff. No, just a Wigglytuff. Yeah, it's a Chrome Wigglytuff. Awesome. A Raichu, Beedrill. I don't know, I never had this issue with them sticking together in the last one. Beedrill, Weepinbell, and Victreebel. Alright, next one. Okay. Whew, man. I'm just looking at this thing and like, if that's that many, like imagine the next box. I don't know, we'll see. Might just put these all together. Might as well. Alright, we got a Pidgeot, an Ekans, a Ninetales. Something, it's a hollow stick behind it. And we have a shiny Bulbasaur card. Awesome. Hey, we have another Charizard card. Sick. If I find a hollow one of these, that'll be awesome. Then we got a James card. Then this is just a little, like, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before, but this is like the list of all the cards they can get in these packs. Basically, goes all the way up to Golem and stops. Yeah. And we have Caterpie. Alright. Let's see what we get in here. We have Jigglypuff, Golbat, Arcanine, awesome. I love Arcanine. Victory Bell, Hollow. Then we have Machop, Golduck, Nidorina, and Nidoqueen. Alright. Let's do the next one. We got Poliwag, Zubat, Wigglytuff with the hollow stick behind it, and it is this what? This is they come in hollow? What? This is technically a hollow card in their pack. Like the freaking title card. I mean, it looks cool, but still, like, this couldn't have been the hollow card? Like, this? Whatever. Pikachu. Pidgey. Sandslash. And Nidorino. Alright. Little towers getting smaller. That means we're getting through here pretty well. Alright. Let's do this. So we have Kadabra, Ash, Gary, oh, we got a hollow Blastoise card. Sick. So I'm pretty sure we can find Venusaur and Charizard. Let's do this. Let's hope for that. Let's like for that. Alright, we got a Machoke, a Psyduck, a Venomoth, and a Meowth. Just like the regular one, not the TV one. We have a bunch of those already, pretty sure. Alright, let's do this. Pidgeot, Ninetales. Ooh, a hollow Butterfree. That looks really nice. We have the TV James, Graveler, Caterpie, and Metapod. Alright. Let's do this next one. So we have Ivysaur, Rattata, Fearow, and a shiny Nidoran female. It's funny because when I started playing Pokemon Go, everyone asked me what that little sign was. And I was like, that's the female sign. And there's the male sign, it goes like the other way. Yeah. Alright, cool. Then we have Vileplume, Clefable, Wartortle, and Weedle. Alright. So, we got Vulpix, Gloom, Primeape, oh, a hollow Venomoth card. Sick. Beedrill. Ooh, another Charizard card. This is awesome. I already got 2 of these from these packs already so far. So let's get the hollow one next time. Let's hope for that. Let's hope. Victory Bell. And another title card. Oh my gosh. Alright. Next one. I've never opened this many freaking packs of anything in my entire life at the same exact time. So this is pretty insane. Alright. So we have the TV Staryu, TV Brock, Poliwhirl. What's right behind Poliwhirl? Oh, a hollow Nidoran card. And there's a mail sign right there. I'll put this over here. I have a TV Meowth. Nothing stuck to it. Geodude, Nidoran, female, and Nidoran male. I guess I got 2 Nidoran males in the same pack. That's pretty weird. Okay. Alright, next pack. Let's do this. So we have a Poliwrath, a TV Misty, a TV Geodude. Something stuck to it. Oh, we got a shiny Poliwag. This is the foil card. This is freaking awesome. Sandshrew, Kakuna. Ooh, Coughing and the Wheezing card, TV 1, and a Blastoise. Awesome. Alright, let's see what we get in here. No card I don't see a lot is like Tentacle and Tentacle. Probably haven't seen those probably like once or twice. Spearow, Eradicate, a Bulbasaur card, and what's sticking behind it? A Poliwrath. No, this is a Poliwhirl. Okay, so we found this is like my second one, my second shiny Poliwhirl and shiny Poliwag, but not one shiny Poliwrath. I don't get it. Paras, Clefairy. I don't think I found one of these yet. That's cool. Diglett and Ductrio. Isn't it weird how there's 3 Pokemon with 3 heads in this game? Like in first generation, you have Ductrio, which is 3-headed. They have Dodrio, which is all 3-headed, and they have Magneton, which is also 3-headed. Kind of weird. 3 of 3s. Poliwag, Zubat, Wigglytuff. Oh, I got a foil Machamp card. Awesome. Pidgey, Charmeleon, Nidorino, and Venonat. Alright. We have a Kadabra. I have the TV Ash, TV Gary. Oh, I have a foil Persian card. Awesome. Psyduck, Parasect, Meowth, and Bellsprout. Pidgeot, Ekans, Ninetales. Sorry I gotta open up all weird, but like that's all I could do. Oh, a holo Venonat card. Awesome. Graveler, Machop, Metapod, and Nidorina. Alright. Poliwag, Zubat, Wigglytuff, and what's the holo card? Ooh, a holo Parasect. Awesome. Charmeleon, Jessie, Venonat, and Persian. These don't open like these for some reason. Yeah, so I just cut these things. They're not like the regular like TCG cards. I don't know why, but whatever. I don't try to bend these or anything, so. Okay, we got the TV Staryu, Brock, and then we got this holo right behind this Poliwhirl, and it is, ooh, a holo Sandslash, Geodude, Machoke, Nidoran male, and Venomoth. Kadabra, Ash, Gary, and we got a holo Psyduck card. Awesome. This is sick. Parasect, Nidoking, Bellsprout, and Tentacool. Awesome. So we have an Oddish, a Growlithe, an Abra, and the TV Ekans / Arbok. It's a holo one. Nidoking, Sandshrew, Tentacool, and the TV wheezing and coughing. Let's get this next one open. Okay, we got Jigglypuff, Golbat, Arcanine, and we have a holo Tentacruel card. Look at that. It's not holo on the back, but it's cool to see stuff on the back, you know. Yeah. Looks so sick. Got Golduck, Paris, and Nidoqueen. Got a few more packs to go, guys. This is freaking insane. I don't know how people like open up like booster boxes and stuff and don't take forever. I got Ivysaur, Rattata, Bureau, Nidorino, Foil, Crazy. Let's move on. Clefable, Pikachu, Weedle, and Sandslash. Alright. Let's hope for that Charizard card. Oh, Charmander. Speaking of it. Awesome. Pidgeotto. Arbok. Something stuck to the Arbok. Oh, a Brock card. Charmeleon. Jessie, Venonat, and Persian. Alright. We got Oddish, Growlithe, Abra, and the TV Staryu, Parasect, Nidoking, Bellsprout, and Tentacool. Let's see what's in this pack. Let's get another hollow shiny starter Pokemon. We have Spearow, Raticate, Bulbasaur, and a shiny Tentacool card. Clefairy, Raichu, Ductrio, and Weepinbell. Alright guys, we got like 7 more packs. I feel like I'm sounding like the guy that like does the Pokemon like gotta catch 'em all theme song. Like, alright kids, just 1,000 more to go. Let's get it on. Charmander, Pidgeotto, Arbok. What's stuck behind the Arbok? A TV coughing and wheezing. Coughing. Jessie. Golem. Persian and Machamp. That remind me of like Team Rocket Pokemon for some reason. I feel like all those Pokemon are gonna be Team Rocket. Like Persian for sure is confirmed on Team Rocket. Alright. So we got a TV Pikachu. We have a Professor Oak. Ooh, a Venusaur. And behind it is a shiny Zubat card. And we have a Golem, Alakazam, Machamp, and Tentacruel. TV Pikachu, TV Professor Oak, Venusaur, and a shiny Wartortle card. Great. It's part of the Start Evolution line. Mankey, Vileplume, TV Ekans and Arbok, and another Wartortle in the same exact pack. Weird. For some reason I put them over there. I don't know why. They're not supposed to be over there. Not shiny. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Man, I gotta take a break for this next box because this is taking a lot out of me. Poliwrath, Misty, Geodude. And we have a shiny Caterpie card. Awesome. Squirtle. TV Meowth. Butterfree and female Nidoran. Catch him. You gotta catch him. Alright, we got Spearow, Eradicate, Bulbasaur, and what shiny is stuck behind Bulbasaur? A hollow Squirtle card. Like, we got it. A hollow starter card. Another one. Awesome. Raichu, Beedrill, Weeping Bell, and Victory Bell. This stack's getting huge. Like, we were all the way down there and now we're over here. Okay, we have a Charmander card, Pidgeotto, Arbok, a Kakuna Rattata. We've got both of them. A Golem, Tentacruel, Alakazam, and Machamp. Some pretty good Pokemon, actually, in general. Okay. We have an Oddish, a Growlithe, an Abra, a shiny Sandshrew card with another follow-up regular Sandshrew card. Fascinating. Kakuna, Tiffy coughing and wheezing, and a Blastoise card. Like, in the beginning I started placing things in specific piles, but like, you get 34 packs in deep and you just realize, or I'm not even 34 in, like I'm like 33 in, and you just realize you don't care anymore. You'll figure it out later. Jigglypuff, Golbat. There was an Arcanine stuck to it, but we have a shiny Nidoking card. Awesome. Paras, Clefairy, Diglett, and Dugtrio right behind it as usual. Let's see what's in here. We have a Pikachu card, Oak, Venusaur. Oh, a shiny Meowth card. This is sick. Alakazam, Mankey, and Tentacruel. What's stuck behind Tentacruel? TV Ekans and Arbok. Alright. Poliwrath, TV Misty, TV Geodude, Bellsprout, Shiny, Kakuna, Squirtle with a Blastoise right behind it, and a Butterfree. Awesome. This is the last freaking pack in this box. Like, look at all this. Like, that's so many packs. Like, it's insane. Alright, last pack in this box. Then we're going to take an intermission to open another box. I don't want to leave y'all hanging with a part 2 video or something like that. Alright, Vulpix, Gloom, Primeape, and another shiny Weedle card. Cool. Oh, with a Charizard card right behind it. Couldn't have been foil, right? Thanks, dude. James. Another one. This little checklist card. And Caterpie. Alright guys, we're going to take an intermission and move on to this next box. Alright guys, we're moving on to the next box. I just got everything organized. And so let's get these things open. And I feel like people kind of like forget that these things have been closed since 1999. So it's pretty crazy just opening these up again. Like, it's freaking insane. Look at this one's stuck. Oh, there it is. Got all these packs out. Ooh. Ooh, I nailed that perfectly. That was a nice little stack. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it Charmander side up. Right over there. And we're going to start doing this. So, let's get these packs open. Now I'll show you the end result at the end of this video. See how much we freaking opened up, because it's a lot. So we got Spearow, Eradicate, Bulbasaur. Something behind it. What is it? Oh, a TV, Ekans, and Arbok. I think it's another one. Psyduck. Machoke, Meowth, and Bellsprout. Oh, that's the first time I've actually just opened it like that this whole time. Alright, so we got Golbat, Arcanine, Poliwrath, and a TV coughing and wheezing. Back to back. Charmeleon, Jessie, Machamp, and Persian. Let me just open these packs up regular now, because I just don't care anymore. Alright. So we got TV Pikachu, TV Oak, Venusaur, and a shiny Tentacool. Sick. Beedrill, Diglett, Charizard, another one, and Nidoqueen. I'm just gonna freaking do this. Alright, so we got Pidgeotto, Arbok, Vulpix, and the holo is Bellsprout. We have Geodude, Meowth, Tentacool, and TV, wheezing and coughing. So we have TV Staryu, TV Brock, Meowth, Holo, Golem, Alakazam, Venonat, and Nidorino. I think that I don't care anymore. You can actually open these up. Alright, TV Staryu, TV Brock again, Poliwhirl, and a shiny Wartortle. Oh, snap. Ooh. Alakazam, Minky, Nidorino, and right behind it is Sandslash. Oh. Let's knock the whole thing over. Oh well. Misty, Geodude, Ivysaur, and a shiny Venomoth. James, Graveler, Dugtrio, and Weepinbell. Pidgeot, Ekans, Ninetales, and a shiny Nidoran card, male, Squirtle, Kakuna, Blastoise, and Butterfree. Just gonna cut this one open. I have not gotten one Holo Charizard yet. I got all these freaking packs. That's crazy. Alright, so we got Gloom, Primeape, Kadabra, and female Nidoran, Mankey, Vileplume, and Weedle. Let's see what's in this one. Alright. I started just showing the back of these cards. Poliwhirl. No, this is Poliwag. Zubat. Wigglytuff. And a shiny Butterfree. We got Machop. We got another one of these freaking cards. Victreebel. And Golduck. So we have, I'm just going to start from the back, Blastoise, and this is going to be a TV Coughing and Wheezing, a Squirtle card, and this is a TV Meowth. This is the Holo Spearow card, Ninetales, Ekans, and Pidgeot. I'm going to start showing the back because you guys haven't seen that yet. Alright, so we got Sandslash, Nidorino, Mankey, Alakazam, Eradicate. I think this is the shiny one. Yep, this is this shiny Eradicate. Kadabra, Primeape, and Gloom. So we got a Victreebel, Weepinbell, Machop, Graveler, and I think this is the shiny card. Yep, we got a shiny Bulbasaur card. Sick. Wigglytuff, Zubat, and Poliwag. We got Nidoran, Butterfree, Sandshrew, Kakuna. I think this is the shiny card, no? So this will be the shiny card, yeah. A Weepinbell, Holo, Jigglypuff, Fearow, and Rattata. So we got Wartortle, Guido, Clefable, Vileplume, and Ivysaur is the shiny one. Yep, Ivysaur. Abra, Growlithe, and Oddish. We got Victreebel, Weepinbell, Machop, Graveler, Weedle, which I know it's, yep, it's a shiny card, Ivysaur, and these last two are Misty and Geodude. Put some of these over here. This pile's getting huge. Just gonna put all these back over here. So many cards. Just gonna cut this one. So we have Caterpie. Another list card, Paras, Golduck, Rattata, which is the shiny card. Whoa. Charmander, and Ash Ketchum and Gary Oak, rivals. So we got Venomoth, Nidoran male, Parasect, Nidoking, Fearow, which is the Chrome card, Bulbasaur, Eradicate, and Spearow. Tentacool. This is a Ekans and Arbok card. Pidgey from the first episode. Pikachu. Yeah. Jigglypuff is the foil card, I'm assuming. Yep. Poliwrath. Arcanine. I think that's from the intro, actually. Yeah, pretty sure. Golbat. I have not gotten like one like hollow like Arcanine or something. That's crazy. 2 freaking boxes. That's crazy. Nidorina. Metapod. Raichu. Clefairy. Is it actually? Clefairy, I think this is, yep. We got a hollow Golbat card. Looks pretty cool, actually. Got Pidgeot, Venusaur, and Pikachu. Yeah. Alright. Second pile, last pile of the last box. Let's get it on. Alright, so we got Nidoran female, Butterfree, Sandshrew, Kakuna, Sandslash, which is the hollow card. Awesome. Ninetales, Ekans, and Pidgeot, which can fly up to Mach 2. Alright, so we got War Turtle, Weedle, Clefairy. No, this is Clefable. We got Vileplume, Nidorino, which I'm assuming is the foil card. Yep. Kadabra, Primeape, and Gloom. So we have Caterpie, another index card, Paris, and Golduck, Venonat, which is the shiny card, Wigglytuff, Zubat, and Poliwag. Oh. This thing just landed on top of this box right here. Alright, so we have Venomoth, Nidoran, male, with a Parasect, Nidoking, Persian, which is the foil card, Jigglypuff, Fearow, and Rattata. Alright, so hopefully these cards don't go flying out like the last ones did. Alright, this one was more self-controlled. Alright, we got Tentacruel. We got Ekans Arbok, Pidgey, Pikachu. And this is the foil card. Yes, awesome. A foil Machamp. Yeah. Then we got Abra, Growlithe, and Oddish. No, I'm just gonna cut this one. We got Nidorina, Metapod, Raichu, Clefairy, Tentacruel, which is the holo card. Sick. Charmander, Gary Oak, and Ash Ketchum. Alright guys, we got a few more to go. And then we will officially completed 2 of these boxes. So, this one's kind of faded, if you guys notice, kind of weird. Alright, so we got Tentacool, Bellsprout, Machoke, Psyduck, Poliwhirl, which I'm thinking is the foil card, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it is. Awesome. Primeape, Gloom, and Vulpix. Yeah, I think we have 6 more packs to go after this. I think. I'm not sure if I'm looking at it right. Alright, so we got Nidoran male, Nidoking. Oh, Sandshrew just fell out. There's like a Nidoran female, Blastoise, which I think is the oh yeah, Blastoise is the foil card for this pack. Rattata and Fearow. Yeah, so if I can get a Blastoise, 2 Blastoise that are foil, I'm pretty sure I can get at least 1 Charizard foil card. That'd be awesome. Alright, so we got this, another one of these. A Wartortle. Another Pikachu card. Clefable. Don't tell me I got another one hollow. Got another hollow one of these, like, what the? Seriously? Alright. Abra. Growlithe. And Oddish. Why can't I get like a foil Growlithe or like something, I don't know. Foil Pikachu, that'd be cool. Metapod, Caterpie, Paris, Victory Bell. Ooh, just the foil card. Charmander. And Gary Oak and Ash again. Ooh. Alright. So we got a Meowth card. A Venomoth card. Psyduck. Parasect. I think this is the... Yep, this is the foil card. Eradicate. Bulbasaur. And Spearow. Alright guys, right after this we got 4 more packs and this is done. I'm excited to see what's in these last packs. Hopefully I am #blessed with a Charizard. That'd be sick. Golbat, Arcanine, Poliwrath, and it's another shiny Brock card that I have from before. Pidgey, Charmeleon, Stuck, Tentacruel, and Machamp. We got TV Pikachu. We got Professor Oak, Venusaur, and another hollow Poliwhirl. Oh my gosh. A Raichu, Beedrill, Nidorina, and Nidoqueen. Alright, so I got Pidgeotto, Arbok, Vulpix, and Poliwag is the foil. This is getting like so repetitive. What the heck? Machoke, Geodude, Bellsprout, and Tentacool. Alright guys, I'm on my last 2 packs. Alright, so we got Venonat, Persian, Golem. This is the random card. Pretty sure this is a shiny Zubat. Yeah, what I expect. Poliwhirl, Brock, and Staryu. Alright guys, this is the last pack. Let's see what is in here for us today. So we have Dugtrio, Diglett, random card, James, Charizard card, Wigglytuff is our last foil card from these boxes. Ivysaur, and these 2 TV cards. Now I'm going to show you guys the aftermath. So look at all this stuff. That's freaking crazy. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this long freaking video. This is probably the longest video I've ever done, I'm probably going to ever make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below and tell me guys what you guys thought about this whole freaking 2 box openings. I don't know how other people do it, but it's freaking crazy and it's really tiring as well. Make sure you guys make sure that you guys like this video, and make sure that you guys are subscribed as well. I'd really appreciate that. Hope you guys had an awesome day. Peace.